Suppose that 120 days ago it was Friday. What day will it be 86 days from today? So we are given that 120 days ago, that is 120 days before the present day, it was Friday. And we are asked, what day of the week will it be 86 days after the present day? So what day of the week will it be 86 days after the present day? This problem is similar to the problem we saw in a previous video. The problem in the previous video was, suppose today is Tuesday, what day of the week will it be 100 days from today? The solution to that problem was explained in that previous video. I won't repeat it here because you can directly look at that video for the solution. If you compare this problem with that previous problem, the description of this problem is a little more complicated. But the problem is exactly the same. You are given that a particular day is Friday. Let's call that reference day as day 0. And you are asked to find out what day of the week will it be n days forward in time. And instead of directly giving you the value of n, which was 100 days in the previous problem, in this problem you need to compute n. And how do you compute n? By adding this value, which is 120, to this value, which is 86. So n is the sum of 120 and 86, which turns out to be 206 days. So if day 0 is Friday, what day of the week will day 206 be? That is the problem. Note that you don't need to calculate what day of the week it is today. That is, you don't need to find out which day of the week is day 120. So just as we did before, we need to divide this number 206 by 7 in order to find out the closest multiple of 7 around the number 206. If 206 turns out to be a multiple of 7, then we know that day 206 would also be a Friday like day 0. But if you do the long division, what do you get? 7 times 2 is 14. If we bring this 6 down over here, we get 7 9s are 63, and that leaves us with a remainder of 3 and a quotient of 29. So 206 can be written as 7 times the quotient plus the remainder, and this is 203 plus 3. Now since 203 is a multiple of 7, it's 7 times 29, we know that day 203 must be a Friday, and that's because it is separated from day 0 by an exact multiple of 7. So day 203 is a Friday, and so day 204 would be a Saturday. day 205 would be a Sunday, and day 206, which is the day we are interested in, would be a Monday. So this is the answer.